Guys, get ready for me to go on the bell. But before we get started, I have a challenge for all of you watching. And you guys can like, click subscribe, and turn on post notifications in just 5 seconds. Hope you guys are ready, cause here goes the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. If you guys were successfully able to complete the 5-second challenge, then I want you to comment down below. What's your favorite thing to do when you're on the ocean? Because mine is like the boat ride. Like, obviously it's so fun. But let's get started. Woo! So first, I kind of just have to put my hair. Oh, I'm so mad. Me and Nora's sleepover is over, even though it said we just posted like 14 minutes ago. I know I don't live that far away. Oh, this is so good. All right. Anyways. Okay, first I'm gonna get dressed, so yeah. It's so cute. I got this last year and it's like really.
I was gonna organize my fanny.
Okay, now we're gonna put my hair up. And someone with the fishes. Come on. I need a deep sea dip. Someone with the fish. Deep sea dip. Someone with the fish. Deep sea dip. Someone with the fishes. I want to see my honey. Deep sea dip. Someone with the fishes. All right, we're gonna go get a hair tie for my mom because I can't find one. Kylie, do you have any hair ties I can use?
Yeah.
Kylie, this is.
I don't have any more.
Bro.
Or I have this one. It's kind of too small.
Yeah, no. My hair is way too chunky for that.
I don't have it.
We're not gonna talk about this. You know what? We actually are just gonna go outside and get it because I have one. I have two actually in the car. One is corrupt. Bongies. Which one? Oh, I'm going in chlorine. We gotta put them in braids. Oh my god. Forgot about that. Every single time I go in chlorine, I have to have braids because chlorine and my hair do not mix at all. Alright, so when my grandma comes, she's gonna do my hair because I keep trying to, and I just like can't. I keep failing. I've been doing it for like 15 minutes. Yeah! And it's like really bad unless I can try doing it by myself again. No, I don't know how to do braids. I'm sorry if I look weird. I don't know how to do braids. So we're just gonna do a fishtail. Because that's the only thing I know how to do. Alright. I'm done talking. My boy is corrupt. Get the rocks in me. Oh, it's so good. Alright. No. Alright. Alright. Yeah, so I guess we're... See, Mom did your hair way better. I took mine out. Because mine looks so bad. I like when Mimi does it. Okay.
But she's gonna come at like 12:40.
Oh my. Alright, guys. I'm not waiting forever, so. Alright, we're gonna use this perfume.
That's my perfume.
No, it isn't. 1, 2. It's not her perfume. Alright. Bye, guys. Might post some about, but bye, guys. Mwah.